A yellow alert has been declared both in Odisha and West Bengal after cyclonic storm Yas moved slowly north-northwestwards and is very likely to intensify further into a severe cyclonic storm during the next 24 hours. Cyclonic storm Yas is very likely to make landfall near Balasore in North Odisha with a speed of 155 km per hour to 165 km per hour, gusting to 185 km per hour around noon on May 26th, the Met Department said on Monday. Earlier in the day, Union Home Minister Amit Shah held a review meeting through video conferencing with Chief Ministers of Odisha, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh and the Lieutenant Governor of the Andaman and Nicobar Island to assess their preparedness and that of central ministries and agencies concerned to deal with the situation arising out of cyclone Yas, which is forming in Bay of Bengal. Yas is expected to be about as intense as Cyclone Taukte, which slammed into the west coast last week, but tamer than Cyclone Amphan, which hit Bengal exactly 1 year ago and for about 3 devastating minutes sustained wind speeds of 240 km per hour. At least 80 people had lost their lives in Cyclone Amphan. Cyclone Yas is likely to intensify into very severe cyclonic storm by Tuesday evening. Chandwali in Odisha's Bhadrak district likely to witness maximum damage. Cyclone Yas is also likely to make landfall near Dhamra port in Odisha's Bhadrak district early on Wednesday morning. Paradip Port Trust suspended its operation from 2 pm on Tuesday as part of safety measures in view of the impending severe cyclone Yas, which is likely to cross Odisha coast on May 26. At least 12 vessels proceeded down to the deep sea so as to avoid the path of the storm, adding that all the trucks, dumpers and large cargo handling equipment in the port area will be taken to a safe zone. The authorities have been in coordination with the Odisha government and the Jagat Singhpur district administration to take all the precautionary measures. Meanwhile, the National Disaster Response Force has earmarked its highest ever number of teams for deployment in Odisha and West Bengal as part of its preparation for the impending cyclone Yas. The Federal Contingency Force has committed a total of 112 teams for deployment in 5 states and Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island, which are expected to be affected by the cyclone. Out of these, the highest number of 52 teams are designated for Odisha, followed by 45 teams for West Bengal. The rest of the teams are being stationed in states like Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, and Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.